3 healthy habits to boost your energy and faith. Your body and spirit are connected. When you care for one, the other grows stronger. God designed us to live with strength, balance, and peace. Let's start with small steps that lead to big change. God cares for your whole being, spirit, soul, and body. In this video, discover 3 healthy habits that will boost your energy while also strengthening your faith. 1. Rest well. Sleep is God's gift for renewal. Psalm chapter 4 verse 8. 2. Move daily. Keep your body active. Your body is God's temple. 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 19 to 20. 3. Practice gratitude and prayer. A thankful heart strengthens both your mind and spirit. 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 16 to 18. Remember, taking care of your body is also an act of worship. If you were blessed by this message, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.